All right, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel. Today I want to go over my free 100-day website traffic challenge. So I'm going to be challenging everyone to increase your website traffic with me with this 100-day strategy. So you can find everything you need at surfsideppc.com/website traffic challenge. You can find the page right here, and we have everything here that you're going to need, step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'm going to have all my updates here as well. So we're going to come back over here and go through pretty much what I'm going to be doing for the next 100 days and how I plan to increase my website traffic challenge and how you can too. So it's going to be a 5-step plan. So step 1 is going to be to create a goal. So I've already created a goal. I'll go over that in a minute. Step 2 is going to be keyword research. So finding the top keywords for my businesses. Step 3 is going to be to create a content plan. So using keyword research to come up with a content plan so I can continuously drive traffic to my website. Step 4 is my OffSite strategy. So how I plan on driving additional traffic to my website through social media, through my email list. And step 5, and last but not least, is to improve the user experience on my website. Make sure that the page speeds are loading very quickly. Make sure I have a good internal linking strategy, and make sure that I'm keeping people engaged on my website. So here's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be going from July 23rd, so I've already started this, to October 31st. I have 5 sources that I'm going to be using: my Surfside PPC video views, my surfsideppc.com page views, beachfront decor page views, farmhouse goals page views, and zero compression backbrace.com page views. So I'm going to be using 5 different sources, websites that I'm working on, and the YouTube channel. My goal by October 31st is to have 180 total pieces of content. So that includes new articles, new videos, updated articles, and redesigned homepages. And the other thing is I want to make sure I'm staying really active with my social media marketing and my email marketing to make sure that I'm continuously driving traffic to my website. So right now, in the last 30 days, June 1st to 30th, I've had 263,475 page views and video views from these 5 sources. My goal by October 1st to 31st is to get to 400,000 plus. So over the last 90 days, so April 1st to June 30th, I've had over 742,000. And my goal from August 1st to October 31st, so this has already started, is 1 million plus. So I really want to increase my page views and video views. These are some realistic goals, but things that I really need to work to accomplish for all of these 5 sources above. Now, if you want, what you can do is just focus on one source. Maybe you just have your one website. You really just want to focus on page views. Maybe you want to just focus on sessions on your website. So I really want to focus on page views, because then improving user experience, keeping people engaged on my websites are really going to be important as well. And I also want to focus on increasing video views, because I'm going to continuously make videos throughout this process about PPC advertising and about how to drive more website traffic. So we're going to come over here. This is my first update. So I have my data here from July 1st to 31st. So I'm already at 317,403. So hopefully I can easily beat that 400,000 number and keep increasing it. So I don't just want to stop at 400,000. I want to get that number as high as possible by October 1st to 31st. Over the last 92 days, so from May 1st to July 31st, I've seen an increase from a little over 742,000 to over 825,000. So some really good increases so far, and I'm going to continuously keep this updated on my website traffic challenge here at surfsideppc.com. So my website traffic strategies. So I've gone over some different website traffic strategies that I use. I usually just start with keyword research. So I try to find the top keywords for my businesses, create high quality content. So I'm going to say the biggest thing that has helped me grow the Surfside PPC YouTube channel and grow any of the different businesses that I'm running is creating high quality content, writing articles, and creating videos around the top keywords that I find through my keyword research. The next thing is updating existing content. So if I have content from several years ago, I want to make sure that I keep it fresh, keep improving it, keep it as relevant as possible, because it helps with the rankings in search engines, and it makes sure that all my content is up to date. Taking traffic from my competitors, improving my website user experience, so keeping people engaged is another important portion of website traffic. Email marketing, so building my email list and using it to share my content, share my promotions, and keep driving that traffic back to my website. Social media marketing, repurposing content, and building backlinks. So all of these things are the things that I'm really going to be focusing on throughout this process, and a lot of it is really just going to come down to creating high quality content and sharing it so I can keep building my audience and keep growing my organic search traffic. That's really where I want to get the most traffic from, is organic search from Google, from YouTube, and keep driving more and more people to my websites, keeping them engaged and driving them to my videos as well. So the first thing I always start with is keyword research. Here's a sample of some keyword research for beachfront decor. Generally what I'll do is I'll pull in keywords from a variety of sources. So you can see that here, there's some duplicates right here. I'll use the unique function in Google Sheets. So you can see keyword, beach decor, nautical decor. So it only pulls out the uniques. And then I'll pull some of these keywords over here to the right-hand side to come up with different content ideas. Now it's really not too difficult to come up with content ideas based on your keywords. You really just want to focus on the types of content that you can create for the different keywords and the intent that people have as they search these keywords. What exactly are they looking for? And one thing you can do is look in Google and look at the search engine, type in something like beach chairs and see what ranks the highest and try to create content that's better than that. So it's probably gonna end up being a listing of products. So if I can create content around folding beach chairs, Rio beach chairs, let's say kids beach chairs, Tommy Bahama beach chairs, and just go over all the different beach chairs on sale, then it's going to help me rank higher in search engines. Even if I don't rank for this main keyword here, I can hopefully rank for some of these more long tail keywords as well. So coming over here for steps 2 and 3 in the website traffic challenge, you can see I have a keyword research for SEO video. So that's how I go through this entire process of how I come up with keywords and content ideas for my business. And then you can keep scrolling down. I have 50 content ideas in 5 minutes. So another strategy that you can use to come up with a bunch of different content ideas. And again, if we keep scrolling down, creating a content plan. So how to create a simple content strategy so you can continuously add new content to your websites and create new videos on a YouTube channel. Even if you're focusing on a podcast, so all of these different things, how you can keep your content as relevant as possible and as fresh as possible so you can keep creating new content that will rank higher in search engines. So I'm going to come over here. One thing that I'm doing is I'm keeping track of every piece of content that I'm updating from all of these sources. So beachfront decor, I have the different URLs, the keyword that I'm focused on. Same thing with farmhouse goals, same thing with Surfside PPC, same thing with the Surfside PPC YouTube channel, and for zero compression back brace. Now coming over here to beachfront decor, this is the same thing I just showed you. So all you need to do is put a list of keywords here on the left-hand side, and then over here in the center, I just use the unique function. So it's just unique, and it's just going to take these two columns right here, A and B, and it's going to pull them over here and keep it unique. And then I pull content from all those ideas. So these are all the different types of content that I want to create because it's the top keywords based around my business. So I know if I keep creating content around these keywords, I'm going to keep driving more and more traffic to my website, and I can keep building my audience as well. So now step 4 and 5 is going to be to create an offsite strategy and using on-page optimization and improving the user experience on my websites. So my offsite strategy is to make sure I'm sharing new content immediately to social media, growing my email list for Surfside PPC and sending 1 to 2 emails per week. I want to grow my email list for beachfront decor and farmhouse goals, so offer a home decor giveaway so I entice people to actually sign up for my email list, and then I can send them my new content as well. Keep Pinterest scheduled with Tailwinds, that's with beachfront decor, with farmhouse goals, and with zero compression back brace. Make sure that I'm staying consistent with Instagram marketing, growing my social media following on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube, and utilizing paid advertising. So I'm not going to be doing a ton of paid advertising through this, but I might try to grow my email list a little bit and promote some of my content. Now on-page optimization, I want to improve my home pages, improve website speed, make sure that I have really good menus so people can find any of the different products or pages that they're looking for. Add internal links, so that's a really important thing to keep people engaged with your content. Improving headlines so I can keep increasing my Google search results, the click-through rate, so when people do see my URLs in the Google search results, they're more likely to click them. That can really add a lot of new traffic to my website. And finding some of the top exit pages through Google Analytics so I can find areas where people are dropping off of my websites. So I'm going to come over here real quick. So let's just say I put together this piece of content, beach bedroom furniture and coastal bedroom furniture. So I have a really long list of products for sale, all the different things that you would find in a bedroom. So bedroom sets, different beds, headboards. So all these different things. What I want to do is make sure that I'm sharing that onto something like Tailwind to my Pinterest page. So you can see right here, here's a different example. It's an Anchor Decorations Pinterest pin, and you can see it's really good pin here. So this will help more people click back to my website. And if I come over to Pinterest here, you can see I have over 9,000 followers, over 1.7 million monthly viewers on beachfront decor. So I want to keep that growing over time. I want to make sure that I'm consistently publishing my content out to Twitter, out to Facebook, to make sure that I'm driving that traffic back to my website, and then keeping Instagram as well, keeping that up to date. So over 7,300 followers here for beachfront decor. So all of those different things are going to go into improving my website. And then if I come over to farmhouse goals here as well, making sure that I have a really good homepage. So you can see I have a lot of different types of product categories here that people can go through and kind of shop. If they scroll down, I have a lot about farmhouse sinks, farmhouse furniture, farmhouse wall decor, farmhouse Christmas decor. So people can easily go through my website. So I want to make sure I have a really good homepages for all these different businesses. Make sure I'm consistently creating content so that I can keep improving my results. So you can see so far my growth over the first month from June to July is 20%. My growth from the 3-month period, so April to June compared to May to July, my growth is 11.2%. So I need to keep increasing this over time. And you can see right here, I'm seeing good results already, and I want to reach my 400,000 plus goal for October. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. You can sign up for my 100-day website traffic challenge. So if you go to the page up top here, you can sign up for updates. I'm not going to be selling you anything. I'm just going to be promoting some different content about website traffic and how you can grow your website traffic, and keeping you up to date on my entire process. I might go through the 100-day website traffic challenge multiple times so I can keep showing you my results and keep showing you that it's going to help me increase my website traffic if I continuously create this content and making sure that I'm sticking to a strategy that's going to drive more traffic to my website. So again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.